I have another tiny home that is for sale today. It is located in Newport, Tennessee. This is a 10 by 26 custom home, and it can potentially be moved to a mountain lot with approval from the owner of the land. Stay tuned for this exciting home. Currently sitting in the forest in Newport, Tennessee. This is waiting on a mountain lot. There'll be skirting added when it's moved to the mountain. This requires an application through the lot owner for approval. You can also just talk to the owner of this home and find out that process and who you need to speak with. Currently sitting in the forest as it waits for the mountain lot. So you do have a place to keep this home while waiting for the mountain to be completed. Wood siding on it. So there's lots of privacy here. Double dormer. I love these windows that they have accentuated the steps when we go inside. You'll see that. Parking for one car. Looks like, I know one of the owners had fenced this in for their doggy so they could, and they actually put a gate up here so they could have the doggy outside without going, too far. A screen door and electronic keypad, which is so great. I use this as an Airbnb, and I'll explain more about that. Lots of wood. Room for 2 chairs. You probably could do a small love seat here if you wanted to, but it looks like they have 2 chairs in the living space. Everything stays with the home. Nice fridge. This is actually used as an Airbnb. It does stay booked according to the owner. She lives out of state and just really can't deal with it right now, so because she's got some other things going on. So it's an Airbnb now, but it definitely could be somewhere to live, permanently. And there is let's see, this is a double loft. So you have a loft above with a mattress. Lots of privacy. Cute shelving, open shelving for your dishes. I love that. This is the book they have for the Airbnb. It has all the information in it. Things you can do in the area. Yep. I'm sure they would share all that with you. TV stays. Love the cabinet below the fridge because it puts it up at a height that's more accessible. This actually will pop up, so it's a drop down, but you can pop it up for more room for cooking, that kind of thing. Double sink. There's actually a lot of space up there in the shelving. You could put some things. All right, and then we go into the bathroom. If you look to the right, there's a great space. Look at that. You can hang clothes and put things on the shelf. Oh, that's really nice storage right there. And then we'll turn around here. There's also a lot more storage here. Flushing toilet. I love the sink. Just a little sink, but that's all you need. And this is storage. Look how nice that is. This is a 36-inch shower. Handheld, I love that. All right, washer and dryer stays. Look how big that is. Wow, that's a big one. It's a stackable, but it's a 27-inch. Wow, yeah, that's a big one. Like it, like it, like it. Yeah, that's really nice. Room for your ironing board. This is what I love about this house, is you have access to sleep at the bottom floor instead of going up. But this house would actually sleep. Well, there's the ladder. And the ladder would be used for this loft. So let me open that up for you. Or let me turn around here and show you. So the ladder would go up so you could get to this loft. Looks like it would sleep at least 2. And then if you chose to live here and wanted to live down in the first floor and not have to go upstairs, you've got a full-size bed, which is so nice. For those that don't want to do the stairs or the ladder. This is a great little space. Mitsubishi mini split. Oh, nice here. We got a small TV, so you can lay in bed and watch TV. There is a barn door for privacy to the bedroom. And there's also a barn door for this privacy to the bathroom. Okay, now we'll go to the second loft. This would be the primary loft, I would say, because it has the stairs that go up to it, which are so nice. And they have grippies on it. I love this. So when you come in the door, you can hang your purse, your jacket, your dog leash, all those things. Oh, she's put these, is so sweet. So there's privacy there. Okay, the wood steps, again, she's put the grippies. They're clear. I don't know if you can see them that well on camera, but they are clear, so you won't slide, which I think is important if you've got slippers or socks. Cute little space for your books. Oh yeah, look how pretty. Oh, I love it. And again, it has 2 egress windows, which are good for safety, and also cross ventilation. You can open those windows. I know that one of the former owners that lived here used open windows a lot and loved the breeze that she got from that. And it's set up with a TV up here as well, so you can get a better view. Let me go around here. So that is a twin mattress over there. So and it stays, but I do think you could put a full and get 2 people up there. So this could sleep 1, 2, 3. This could easily sleep 5 people. You know, so to keep that in mind if you're wanting to do an Airbnb. I think the more you can fit, the better. Even, you know, in a tiny home experience, because a lot of people come here and want to bring their brothers or sisters or parents to get them to experience the tiny home as well before they end up purchasing one. We have a lot of people that come to the community looking for that tiny home experience, since most people haven't been in one. All right, so that's a nice double loft. This being the primary, I would say. I'm gonna go back down. You can hold on to this to get down safely. Banisters. Beautiful wood floor, beautiful wood ceiling. This can stay, this house is going to the mountain. I'm not certain what you'll have to talk to the homeowner to find out the way that works. You will have to have an approval through the company that owns the lots here. And they can, she can step you through that process. The price is $110,000. I think the monthly rent once you move to the mountain is $300 a month. Right now it's sitting in the forest temporarily until that mountain lot is completed. So you could stay here in the forest, I would assume, but you'd have to check with the owner, and she will have to check with the lot owner to see if you're able to stay on this. So I will put on the screen how you contact this owner. Please reach out to her for any information, questions. If you would like to purchase the home, or if you just want some information on how the Airbnb works, those kind of things. She has said that it was very successful. I'm sure she would share more information with you on that. All right, so this is a good one, and I see that there's an electronic keypad on it too, which is really nice if you have Airbnb. It's really nice if you don't have Airbnb. I love that. But it's almost a must if you have your Airbnb set up. You have to have the electronic keypad. Okay? Thanks for watching.